Wow. This is crazy. Oh man, it's insane. I'm in a video game. What's up, you guys? It's your tall guy and Yoshi. Yeah, I can't believe it either. I'm filming from inside Super Nintendo World. It is a soft opening, not official. Not everything may be open today, but the fact that we're standing in this amazing land is crazy. Wow, everything is kinetic energy and there's so many moving parts, and I'm speechless. I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start. I just want to start taking pictures and videos of everything. This is crazy. And look at that, Princess Peach meet and greet, guys. Peach meet and greet. Right over here, right next to the entrance. That is insane. All right, so first up, guys, we need a power band, which we're gonna find right here in the One Up Factory. Yeah, I already know who I'm gonna represent. So let's head right on in. All right, One Up Factory. From what I see, you know what? Everything, the merch is essentially the same as what we see from City Walk and inside the parks. But the only real difference is here, we're gonna be able to collect our power bands, which are right here. Yoshi, Peach, Mario, Luigi, Daisy, and Toad, to interact with the land. Y'all gonna see what this thing does. It is so cool. We officially got our magic band. I'm sorry, you said what now? It's a power band, tall guy, not a magic band. I'm sorry, Universal, but let's not ever say that again. Let's get back to the video. The first thing I want to do is hop on that Mario Kart ride. Let's get it, guys. All right, you guys, so we got SoCal Pals here. Soft opening for Universal. What are your thoughts so far?
Oh man, it's a long time coming. We're so excited. I just feel so overwhelmed. Like there's so much to do, so much to look at.
I don't even know where to start.
The ride.
I don't know where to start.
The ride is incredible.
Go to the right?
Oh,
Go to the right?
Yeah, the ride is incredible. You're gonna love that ride.
I'm gonna go.
Yes.
Go. Man, look at them views. The queue went outside. Looks like we're entering Bowser's Castle now. But sheesh. Wow. Wow, that it's a cool statue of the King Koopa. This is surreal. It feels like I'm in Nintendo 64 Mario game, yo. No way this is real. Ain't no way this is real life. They got all the cup trophies right here. The shell, banana, mushroom. Insane. Look at that. Star Power Cup, Crown Cup, Flower Cup, Nuke. Of course they gotta have the Universal Cup. Oh, it's cool. Mario, I challenge you to a race. Wow, this queue is everything a Mario fan wanted. Look at that, Bowser's Throne. How is this queue so amazing? Look, we got bomb-bombs, we got the Mega Koopa, we got bullet bills stacked. This looks like the factory where they're being made. This is the process how a bomb-bomb is made. Look at him go, he's ready to blow up. How to put the timer on him. Now this is what I live for.
Opening and closing doors. For those of you not joining, please stay clear of those openings.
Got the first attachment to the ride. It's where the visors clip on. So you wear like a Mario cap, and then they give you the visors later. kept on. Excited. Now onto the Mario Kart ride. Let's go! So while I'm in line waiting to meet Mario and Luigi, yeah, character meeting greets, right? It's gonna be so cool. I just got off the ride, Mario Kart Bowser Challenge. Some really quick thoughts. I'm on the fence about this ride. I wasn't like blown away actually. It's augmented reality technology. You gotta wear visors in front of your visor in front of your eyes to experience the ride fully. You see, whatever I filmed on the ride, the camera doesn't capture everything going on. Everything goes on in those lenses. They got awesome, nice, practical props in the ride, but the real action is happening in your visors because that's where you see all the action going on in front of you. But besides that, it is a new way to experience a ride. But I personally didn't feel like I was going fast. I wish I was on Mario Kart 150cc mirror mode, if y'all know what I'm talking about, but I felt like I was playing Mario 50cc. See what I mean? I didn't get that quick, intense feeling, but there are a lot of effects in the ride that make you feel like you're kind of going fast, but in reality, I wasn't speeding or anything. The visors are making me think you were speeding, but I wasn't really feeling it. So those are my quick thoughts. But come experience it for yourself, get your own opinion. This is all just me. Everyone will have their own. Everyone is so hyped to see these characters. Yeah, it's crazy. Look at Mario. And Luigi. Oh, we're close to meet them. Oh, what a son, Luigi. Woo! This is dope. Wow. I don't know if you guys heard in the video, but these guys actually blink, they talk, they do it all. This is crazy. Alright, so we're in line to play one of the mini games out here. To roll off the Goomba off the hill to collect the point. It's gonna be sick. Let's go! You got the key! Cool. That's good. Alright. That's one of the mini games down. Real quick, let's try another one. A more difficult one. What do we got here? Alright, so here it looks like it's a timing challenge. So as you hit the POW block, hey, how you doing? As you hit the POW block, you have to time it for the shell to go up to hit the POW up there. Another mini game challenge is gonna actually be right under the Womp. Let's check it out. Ah, look at the kids, they're having fun, bro. Ah! quick. So, if you do want to enter Bowser Jr.'s challenge for the last mini game, you obviously need a power band. But you need a power band to go inside. But if you do want to go inside and do this challenge, you need all 3 keys from the land to enter. So, we collected one here, the Goomba one, and the Piranha Plant one. Now, if you happen to collect just 3 keys in general, so if you were to play this one 3 times, you collect the 3 keys, you're able to go inside. Now that we got our 3 keys, let's head on inside. The last challenge mini game is Bowser's Jr. mini game. It's definitely Bowser Jr. vibes. I love this man. Yo! Ain't no way this is real. We got a Bowser Jr. block to pound. Let's see. Yo. Cool.
いよいよ最後の挑戦、クッパジュニアとの対決です。ゴム兵が投げ込まれたら腕を振って弾きましょう。そう、ゴム兵は腕で弾く。キラーが飛んできたらぶつからないようにしゃがんでください。いいですか？キラーはしゃがむ。ハテナブロックにはジャンプしてパンチ。パワーアップアイテムが出てきます。ファイヤーフラワーを手に入れたらチャンス。ファイヤーボールを投げましょう。腕を振ってファイヤーボール。さあ、この先にいるクッパジュニアをやっつけてゴールデンキノコを取り返してください。
Stand at your number. There's like a silhouette of you. This is so cool. No! Hit the... Oh, literally jumping. You gotta jump. Yo! That was dope! There's more? I apologize if the footage looked a little jumpy. I was having so much fun in there. I was throwing fireballs, hitting power-up blocks, dodging bullet bills, facing off Bowser. I felt like a kid. That's cool, man. That's all I needed to say that this land is worth it. Worth everything. Can't get over it. I Look at these tall guy views. That is sick. Another mystery block. Come on. Mr. Koopa coming down. Koopa Troopa. Wow. This is a cool view to look over the land. Gotta love it. Again, more hidden details. Beautiful. Bum, bum, bum. Peach's beautiful castle. God, it's crazy in here, guys. It's small, but there's so much to do in here. So much. If you head right over here, right next to the 1-Up factory, if you tap your power-up band, you could check out your rank amongst the land. There I am. SoCal Tall Guy. I rank, what do I rank? 1,300 coins? Damn. This area is right next to Peach's castle. You just gotta come in here and start collecting your coins. Hit the power button. Hey. All the smiling faces, we love to see it. Alright, y'all. I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's Super Nintendo vlog. The only thing I'm not doing today is the food. The food, it's gonna be, I gotta have Rachel here for that. So whenever we come for Passholder previews is when we're gonna explore the food options. But for now, I really just got a taste of almost everything here. Wow, I can't wait for this to be open for everyone. I mean, it kind of is now, but this is just a soft opening, technical rehearsals, not official, okay? Just remember that. Besides that, guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what you loved about this land, and you'll catch this talk at the next theme park. I'm out of here.